Big Jeff coming to you again, talking about Kicker now on the 50th anniversary. Big Jeff from Big Jeff Online. I started all this out of the trunk of my car in Miami, Florida, selling security cameras and other things, and it grew into car audio, which has always been my passion. Always been my passion. Bigger and bigger and bigger. So if you didn't know, now you definitely know. We were approved the last day of last year, that Friday, with Kicker to sell their product on our website and out the front door. Totally ecstatic. Company not even 5 years old, 30 employees, and having companies like Kicker and many others that are trust us, right, with their brand. So we got a ton of giveaway stuff. Everything you order from us, Kicker, you're getting something. I don't care if it's a lanyard, koozie, shirt, whatever we got, you're gonna get. We have hats, cups. The more you spend, the more you get. And then here's a cool thing, which I found out, Kicker, along with others, if you buy their amp kit, you get an extra year warranty. Now, what does that mean? Well, Jeff, you're supposed to warranty it. Yeah, 100%, but you can also go to Kicker, might even be faster. And if it's past a year with us, you go to Kicker, your part is registered in your name from us by the serial number. And if on that invoice also shows you bought a amp kit, you get an extra year warranty on the amplifier. So, I mean, it's worth it. But here's the kicker, no pun intended. We're going to give away a free amp kit with every amplifier. So long as I got them in stock, they'll be available. If it calls for an 8 gauge, you get an 8 gauge. Calls for a 4 gauge, you get a 4 gauge. Calls for a 0 gauge, you get a 0 gauge. That's awesome, right? So I'm going to give you a free amp kit, right? And then you just need to buy the amp. And then this way, now you got an extra year's warranty. Kicker's been around 50 years. They have an anniversary. We should be bringing in the 50-year anniversary subs with the gold writing. I heard they're killer. People are loving them. We got a ton of product in stock. More on the way. We just placed a huge order for all the motorcycle stuff. The motorcycle speakers, which are waterproof, can be used for anything. 2 ohm, 4 ohm. We just had a training which blew my mind on some of this stuff. High to low adapters, integration pieces, speakers. BigJeffAudio.com. And Kicker has a full tech support team which you can contact. They'll help you put a system together or help you build your box. We'll do it here, 737-BIG-JEFF. That's 737-244-5333. I'm sure you'll throw it up on the screen on the edited version. But, you know, we can go so far. Obviously, you're going to get some real information from the manufacturer. Now, Kicker's huge. It's not a small company. And again, they're building this product. They're innovative. They're designing it and building it and testing it, and it's huge. So all you Kicker fans out there, we are the newest Kicker dealer. Yeah, baby. And man, we're giving away stuff. So make sure you order from BigJeffAudio.com. You want to get your Kicker stuff. L7s, comps VRs. I'm learning all the part numbers. CS speakers. There's so much. And then on the marine side, oh my God, they got towers and cans and speakers and amplifiers, crazy. And they got some real micro stuff that'll blow your mind. They got stuff that'll just factory integrate in. If you want to add a subwoofer and you got an expensive car, you could just plug it in and kind of play a 500 watt amp that basically just plugs and plays. Insane, right? So say 500 watts is not enough, you want to do something bigger, put 2 of them in there, you can. So check it out, Big Jeff Audio, one of your newest Kicker dealers. We're fully stocked. I got stuff to give away. Hit us up. Everything you buy on the Big Jeff Audio site, you're going to get something free. So I appreciate you all. And you can't see it, but there's 3 phones here plus all the cameras. Appreciate you all jumping in on a Saturday with me. Leave some comments, some notes. Let me know what you want me to talk about in the future. Let me know what you have for Kicker if you do, or if you're planning to. I'd love to read those. All right, I'm Big Jeff, signing off. Kicker in the house.